This is the ALLOYMAN electric spin scrubber. This happens to be the 2-battery model. You can also buy it with just 1 battery, but that's only half the fun. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual. Here is the spin scrubber itself, 2 extension wands, and this is the piece where the battery goes in right over there. You get the charger for it. The charger plugs in to the battery. You can see the jack right in there where you plug it in, right up there. 4 brush heads, small round one, large round one, a pointed one, and a big head like that. They give you rubber gloves, and they also give you a holder for the spin scrubber. So if you have it all assembled, you can take that. It's got double stick tape on the back and pops in just like that, and it'll hold it. You just peel it right out and you're good to go. So let me tell you a little bit about this, and then of course we'll test it out. These are 20-volt batteries, as you see right over here. You get 2 of them. That will afford you 200 to 300 minutes of spin scrub time. Each battery recharges in only 1 hour. The spin scrubber, I'll tell you something right now, this is not your Anthony Sullivan Special. Most of the ones you see out there on the market, they do 350, maybe 400 RPM. Low speed on this guy is 680 RPM, and high speed is 1000 RPM. That makes a big difference for some really grungy stuff. It also has a 45-degree angle head over here, brush head. You press the button and it can go at 45 degrees. Press it and it'll snap back. So you can have it in either position. The way it goes together, if you want to use the extension wands, you can. If you don't need to, easiest way I found, you can see there's grooves in here and there's grooves there. Just kind of twiddle it around and you'll see it'll slide in. Put it together and then screw the thing on just like that. Now you can take your battery, convenient button, show you the state of charge, snap that on, and then you can put on whatever brush head you want. We'll go with this guy and just kind of mush it on there. You got to work at it. It's pretty tight, but it'll go. And then once you do that, you have a switch. Low speed or all the way down for high speed. And that really gets whipping pretty good. Center position is off. If you wanted an extension piece, just unscrew, wiggle it, pull it apart. Now you're going to take an extension piece, same idea with the grooves in there. Let's see, about like this, like that, and then screw that on. And then the back part with the battery goes again just in the same way. As soon as I get it lined up, there we are. And now you see it's much longer. Okay, so that's pretty good. And of course you can put the other extension piece in if you want. Now the brush heads are great for different cleaning purposes. This one is great for toilets. We're going to do that first. This would be great for floors, for sinks and stuff like that. Also good for tubs, this one here. And this is also great to get around a couple different places. Behind the toilet seat, you know, up in that area against the tank where it gets, yeah. That works good in that section there because it's kind of a pointy tip. Also works great around faucets and things like that to get all the grunge out from around it and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and test this out. Okay, you got your toilet bowl cleaner. I got this stuff. I don't like it too much because it kind of doesn't come out. It's kind of watery, but it'll do the trick to give you the idea. So just spray that around nice like that. And it's also a good idea to leave it sit for, oh, maybe a minute or two before you get going. Helps loosen all the stuff in there. Alright, we're all set to get started. Remember, it's waterproof. We'll just do it on low for here. And we'll get the water kind of agitated around, and you can see gets under the rim real nice. Turn it around here. So that did pretty good, just like that. Now we'll move on to something else. The floor gets kind of grungy in front of the stove, as you might expect. You can use any cleaner you like. I got this one here, and we're going to spray it down real good. I'm going to go all the way to the end there. Spray it down good, and then leave it sit for a minute or two. Let it work in. All right, let's give this a shot. We'll turn it on. We'll start on low. And you know, that's doing the trick, but we're going to go to high speed. Yeah, now you can hear it's really working it. And now we'll just wipe it up. Wow, that is a considerable difference. That did quite well. That's just this small area here. Of course, you could do your whole floor, and you have plenty of battery power to do it with the ALLOYMAN electric spin scrubber. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.